The alarm clock receiver from Bellman Symfon is part of the Visit smart home system that helps you keep tabs on your home. It will wake you with a loud alarm, flashing lights, and vibrations from the bed shaker when the doorbell or telephone rings, when your baby needs you, and if a fire or carbon monoxide leak should occur. The alarm clock works wirelessly with our full range of transmitters. Let's look inside the box. Here is the user manual in multiple languages. The alarm clock, a bed shaker, and a power supply. To get started, remove the battery tab and connect the power adapter to an outlet, and then plug the other side into the power port here. Connect the bed shaker to this port. Press the test button on the transmitter. The 4 high-intensity LEDs start to flash, sound, and the bed shaker will vibrate. In addition, a colored LED will light up depending on which transmitter has been triggered. To stop the notification, press the snooze button on the top. The alarm clock has 4 different colored LED lights. Orange is for the baby monitor. Green is for the doorbell. Yellow is for the telephone. Red is for the smoke alarm. And orange and red alternately switches for the carbon monoxide alarm. It also works as a digital alarm clock, which will wake you with a loud alarm, flashing lights, and vibrations from the bed shaker when it is time to wake up. To set the time on the alarm clock, press the time setting button on the left. Then rotate it to set the hours. Press the button again and rotate it to set the minutes. Press again to save your settings. To set the alarm, press the alarm setting on the right. Then rotate it to set the hours. Press the button again and rotate it to set the minutes. Press again to save your settings. To activate the alarm, press the alarm on-off button here. The alarm indicator lights up in red and a bell symbol shows on the screen. When it is time to wake up, the alarm will produce bright flashes, the bed shaker will vibrate, and sound will begin to increase step by step to 100 decibels in different frequencies. To snooze the alarm, press the snooze button here. The LED will start to breathe red. The Smart Snooze function reduces the snooze time intervals by 2 minutes from 9 to 2 minutes. To turn off the alarm, press the alarm on-off button. Now the alarm clock is ready to use. That's how easy it is to set up. Here are some additional features. You can press and hold the snooze button until the night light beacon lights up in blue. Now, if you have to get up at night, there is a gentle light guiding you back to bed. The night light beacon will turn off automatically after 20 minutes, or you can press the snooze button one more time to turn it off. On the back side of the alarm are 3 buttons. The first button is a dimmer. It can adjust the brightness of the backlight for the screen in 5 steps, from low to high. The last step is a permanent backlight. Next to the dimmer is the flash and sound on-off button. This can turn off the flashing lights, the sound, or both when the alarm clock is triggered. Then there is a 12 and 24-hour format button. There are 3 different direct ports that you can see on the back of the alarm clock here. This is the bed shaker connection as mentioned earlier. Plug the bed shaker into this port. Then place it under your pillow or mattress, and it will vibrate whenever the alarm clock is triggered. This is the landline phone connection. You can connect the landline phone to the alarm clock through a telephone cable with an adapter. To do this, take the landline phone cord from the wall. Plug the adapter into the wall. Then plug the cord from the alarm clock into the adapter. Now plug the cord from the telephone into the adapter. Now the alarm clock will alert you when you receive phone calls directly from your landline phone. This is the external trigger port you can use for different accessories. You can use the mobile phone sensor. Plug the 3.5mm jack into the port. Then put the mobile phone sensor on top of your cell phone screen or tablet screen. If you receive a call or other notification, the alarm clock will alert you. Or you can use the contact mat. Place the contact mat next to your bed, and when someone steps on it, the alarm clock will alert you. At the bottom of the alarm clock is 4 rechargeable backup batteries, which will make sure the alarm clock stays fully functional in case of a power outage. You can see the battery level through the symbol on the screen. If the battery symbol is empty, then the battery is low and needs to be charged. If you see this symbol, then the backup battery isn't working. And that is the alarm clock receiver, part of the Visit Smart Home system.